Guys, it's Reese, welcome back to the channel. So, just wanted to give everyone a quick update. There's one spot left in this brand new Subscriber's Choice Diecast car racing event. I will be unboxing a few other cars, relatively soon. So yeah, just, thought I'd let everyone know that. Which means only one subscriber can choose a car, and here's why. I decided not to race in the first race. I could have, but decided not to, and the only reason is because it wasn't as full as this race will be. So that's why I decided not to be in the first one, because it's only going to be 3 cars. Had I joined, it would have been 4, but, you know, oh well. I mean, to be honest, if that's how many are joining, then, you know, I'll just have to start the race anyways. Bye everyone, thanks for watching, and I'll let you know when I have my unboxing cars video or live stream on my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your weekend, everyone.